Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College, presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Hello students, today we'll learn Standard 7 Subject Maths, Lesson number 11, Circle. Children, have a look at this diagram which is a circle. Now, question based on it is given. Identify the radii. Single is radius and if many are there, they are known as radii. Chords and diameters in the circle alongside, and we have to write their names in this table which is given. Alright? See here. Children, first of all understand what is radius, what is diameter. This is known as, this O is center of the circle. Now what is radius then? From this center of a circle to any point on the circle, the distance between center of a circle to any point on a circle is known as its radius. So here, how many radii we have got? Let us write OB, OA. Next to that, OC. Have a look at the board. From the center till the point on the circle, I am considering only that distance, that is radius, and OF. So these four are radii. Now we have to find out chord. Children, what is meant by chord? The distance between any two points on the circle is known as the chord. Even diameter is the chord because it is a line segment passing through center of a circle. Right? So, the diameter is also known as chord, which is longest chord in the circle. Alright? So, chord EC. Then chord AB, then chord CF. Also, we can consider chord AD also. So, these four chords are there in this given circle. Now, diameters. Children, you must know this. What is diameter? Of course, diameter is a line segment passing through center of a circle. So, AB is a diameter, as well as CF is also a diameter because these two segments passes through center of a circle. So, in this circle, we have only two diameters, that is AB and CF. Children, now let us know the next very important concept, that is circumference. What is meant by circumference of a circle? It is the length of the boundary of a circle is called as circumference of a circle. Alright? Now, we'll study the relationship between the diameter and the circumference as well as radius and circumference. Student, now let us understand relationship between the circumference and the diameter of a circle. See here students, the ratio of the circumference C of a circle to its diameter D is denoted by symbol pi. It's read as pi, pi, pi. Pi is not any rational number. The value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. These are standard values. If it is not given in the exam while solving the sums, you have to take this value as 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So, circumference C divided by diameter D. These are the symbols used to represent circumference C and diameter D, which is equals to pi. Or C is equals to pi d. If you multiply this cross multiplication, you will get C is equals to pi d. Children, diameter is twice of radius. So D is equals to 2r. We can write it. Therefore, C, that is circumference, is equals to, you can take formula either pi d or which is equals to 2 pi r. So it's very easy to remember the formula. Circumference C is equals to pi d or 2 pi r. Is it clear? To understand this concept, relationship between circumference and diameter, we'll solve some solved example. Let us have a look at the question. The diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Find its circumference. So, whenever we have to solve such a word problem, first of all write down the given thing. What is given? Diameter of a circle. Diameter D is equals to 14 centimeter. What is to find out? That also let us write to find out. C, that is circumference. C is equals to what? Now we have studied circumference. C is equals to, if diameter is given, formula is pi d. Student, now we have written formula for circumference pi d. You know that value of pi we have to take 22 upon 7 and diameter is given how much? 40. Alright. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 40. So how we'll get 22 multiplied by 2. Now 22 2s are 44. Unit is centimeter. So we have got circumference of a circle is equals to 44 centimeters. So at last we'll write final answer. Circumference of a circle is equals to 44 centimeter. We can write it in the square box. Okay, students, always remember it is must to write down the unit. If you don't write unit, you will lose your half mark. Student, now let us see the next example. Here it is given the radius of a circle is 35 centimeter. Find its circumference. As I told you in the first example, always write down first given part. What is given? Radius. Radius of a circle, which we denote by symbol R, 35 centimeter. What is to find out? Circumference C. Okay. Now, I have taught you in the formula, when the radius is given, what is the formula to find out circumference? Yes, it is circumference is equals to 2 pi r. So let's write here circumference C is equals to 2 pi r. Alright. Now 2 as it is. What is the value of pi? Of course 22 upon 7. Value of r is 35. Yes. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now 2 into 22, 44 multiplied by this 5. Alright. Now 5 4s are 20. Carry here 2. 5 4s are 20 and 2. 220. So it will come 220 centimeters. So when radius of a circle is 35 centimeter, its circumference is 222 centimeters. So let's write here, therefore circumference of a circle is equals to 220 centimeters. Write it in the square box. So this is how we studied how to find out circumference of a circle when diameter is given. Also we have studied how to find out circumference when radius is given. We'll study one more example. Student, now let us see this question. The circumference of a circle is given 198 centimeter. We have to find its radius as well as diameter. Of course, when one thing is given, we can find out the another thing, right? So let's write as usual. Given circumference C is 198 centimeter. What is to find out? Radius and diameter. Okay, now circumference C is equals to 2 pi r. First let us find out radius. So I have taken the formula 2 pi r. Now circumference is given what? 198, which is equals to 2 into. Now value of pi is 22 upon 7. We have to find out value of r. So let us write r as it is. Now we'll shift these quantities on the left hand side. So how it will be? Therefore 198 multiplied by this 2. 2 means 2 upon 1. When we are shifting it on the left hand side, it will be 1 upon 2 into this 7 will be in the numerator and 22 will go in the denominator. Like this it's reciprocal, which is equals to r. Fine. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. 1 remains again, 2 nines are 18. Fine. Now 11 twos are 22, 11 nines are 99. Is it clear? Therefore 9 sevens are 63 divided by 2. Alright. Now this is very easy to find out, children. If you don't understand, you can do the actual division over here. 63 divided by 2. 2 threes are 6. Minus 6 will remain 0. Take down 3. 2 ones are 2. Minus 2, what remains? 1. We cannot divide 1 by 2. So put here decimal point. Number becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. So what we got over here is equals to 31.5 centimeter. So what is r? Now this is r. R is equals to, okay. Therefore now we find out diameter. Radius we got is equals to 31.5 centimeter. Diameter d we have to find out, which is equals to 2r. Diameter is always twice of radius. So d is equals to 2r. So 2 into 31.5. Of course, easily we have to multiply. You can multiply if you don't understand actually also. 5 2s are 10, carry 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 3s are 6. After decimal point 1 digit, so from right towards the left, leave 1 digit. So what will give? 63 centimeter. Alright. So here at last you write, therefore diameter is equals to 63 centimeter. Write it in the square box. For radius also you can make one square box. Fine. This is how, children, when circumference of a circle is given, easily we can find out radius as well as we can find out its diameter also. Children, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video till the end.